Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. First thing in this video, let us check our organic garden. If you also want to start an organic vegetable garden, select a suitable spot in your yard or rooftop. After you have found a suitable place, you can dig a plot, build a raised bed, or set up plant containers. Next, prepare your soil and plant your veggies, fruits, or any other flowering plants. As your plants grow, keep them healthy with organic pest control. If you have any plant problem, there are a lot of videos. You can just check the playlist. Growing organic vegetables means your family can enjoy healthy, tasty, fresh produce free of synthetic chemicals or pesticides. Plant in an area that gets full sunlight at least 6 hours a day. 8 to 10 hours is even better. Since all gardens require frequent watering, make sure you have a spigot and hose that will reach all the corners of your plot. The kitchen garden that we have in our rooftop fulfills all the vegetables we need for our family. First, for a healthy organic vegetable garden, you need to start with a healthy soil. The most important component in soil is the organic matter, such as manure, peat moss, or compost. You can create your own compost by designating an area or bin where organic matter will decompose. We have uploaded a video about how to make kitchen waste compost. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can go and watch that video. And make your own organic fertilizer. Another best idea to make organic gardening is by using mulching. Make sure to reduce weeds by spreading a 1 to 2 inch thick layer of mulch on the soil. It creates a barrier that prevents weeds from getting sunlight and from germinating. This mulch layer also prevents fungal disease spores from drifting onto plant leaves. In this winter season, there is a special cure for our garden, and my mom uses 2 main fertilizers in this winter gardening cure. First fertilizer is dry kitchen waste compost. First, for this new fertilizer, you must get your kitchen waste compost. Then dry your kitchen waste compost under sun for 2 days. Then break the kitchen waste compost into small particles. Then give it to your plants in the garden. Now let me tell you about the next fertilizer. To make this fertilizer, you have to first get kitchen waste compost. Make sure it does not have to be dried. Then Put your kitchen waste compost and add 10 liters of water. Now only add 10 ml of bioenzyme with this liquid and then simply give it to your plants. And if you add these two fertilizers only, it will give your plant micro and macronutrients, and this is also a slow releasing fertilizer and helps the plant to be healthy, and the plant produces lots of fruits, vegetables and flowers. I hope you can easily make this zero cost fertilizer. And I hope that you also enjoy gardening. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.